Good morning, how are you guys doing? It is day 7 of me being here at Ocean City, New Jersey, and I'm really happy to be here, and I have a lot of fun things planned for today. And later this afternoon we are going parasailing, and then at 6 tonight we are going kayaking and many other fun things in between, and I can't wait to take you along on today's video. My mom and I are going parasailing, that's why we are here. And my mom just ordered lunch. What'd you get, Mom?
A salmon sandwich.
Nice. And so I'm really excited to go parasailing today because it's my first time ever going, and it should be really exciting. So I am going to try to get some videos. My mom and I are parasailing today. We're on the boat. Are you excited, Mom?
Very excited. We're heading out to the ocean from the bay.
Woo! Woo! I'm parasailing and it's so much fun. I really enjoy it. I just got back from parasailing and I really enjoyed that, considering it was my first time doing parasailing, and I would definitely do that again if I was given the chance. And so after that we went to the post office because my mom and I are staying for half another week up to Wednesday next week, and I'm really happy about that because I never want to leave here because I just love the beach so much, and it's my second home. I've been coming here since I was adopted. So my mom and I are on our way to go kayaking, and I have gone kayaking before, but I've never done it here in Ocean City, New Jersey. So it should be really fun and exciting, and we're doing it in the bay. We're at the bay, and it should be really pretty because it's at the evening, and like I said, it's my first time doing it here, and hopefully it's as beautiful as it looks. My mom and I are kayaking tonight. Do you enjoy it, Mom?
It's fun.
It's our first time doing it in Ocean City, New Jersey, but we've done it before where we live, and it's a lot of fun. Good thing I'm wearing a bathing suit under this because I'm getting soaked from this boat and from the water splashing. But I'm really enjoying myself, and you know, I got us stuck all the way back there.
You saw the osprey carrying a fish. Saw a whole bunch of white egrets with yellow feet. No turtles.
So yeah, we went to go kayaking today, and it was so much fun. It was a great experience, and I would definitely do that again if I had the chance. And it was just so beautiful, and learning new things about the bay and the different animals that are there was just a great experience. And we had a great leader that helped us, and it was just a great time. I had fun with my mom, and I would definitely do that again. So like I said, it was my first time kayaking here at Ocean City, New Jersey, and there are a couple things that I would change, like the smell of the bay. Like, it was nasty in some parts of the bay, And I liked it, it was beautiful, but like the smell of the bay was just not great. And when it splashed into me, I was just like not okay with it. And then the bugs chewed me apart, which was great. Love insects. But that was annoying because I was trying to leave and they were just coming after me while I was trying to get in the cars. My mom and I are getting back from kayaking. Did you enjoy it, Mom?
Oh yeah, it was so much fun. I learned a lot.
Would you do it again if you had the chance?
Yep. I think this time I'm gonna get a one-person kayak.
Yeah. I just got done talking to my boyfriend and one of my best friends, and I enjoyed talking to both of them and hearing about what they did. And I played a game with my boyfriend. I played Uno and a game called Stop, which is like a trivia game. And with my other friend, so my boyfriend, I did the games. And then with my best friend, we just talked about deep conversations, and I just missed talking to her, so I just called her up and I talked to her and talked about future plans, and it was great just catching up with her, even if it was FaceTime. But it would be great to see her sometime because I miss her a lot. So.
Walking down 29th and Park, I saw you in another's arms. Only a month we've been apart. You look happier. Saw you walk inside a bar. You said something to make you laugh. I saw that both your smiles were twice as wide as ours. Yeah, you look happier, you do. Ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you, but ain't nobody love you like I do. Promise that I will not take it personal, baby, if you're moving on with someone new. 'Cause baby, you look happier, you do. My friends told me one day I'll feel it too.
I am gonna end it here, but thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you liked watching today's vlog, don't forget to like today's video, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification to stay updated to when I post a new video. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow for another vlog, because I am going to be here until Wednesday. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow and come back tomorrow for another vlog. So thanks for watching. Bye, guys!